We are going to do this makeup look in max to max 15 minutes. Anything that's not blended will look blah. It's practice. Not look like some witch or blushes here, the concealer is here. And you can see this is not a 10 kg makeup. Can you see this? Where? कहाँ था? And maybe crush को पसंद आ जाओ. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Alisha Arora and today we are going to learn everyday makeup look. If you are a college going girl or if you are a no makeup person like me, then you can carry it every day, be it to the college or to the office. So let's learn. And yes, you read that right, that we are going to do this makeup look in max to max 15 minutes because obviously I have been to college and office as well. So I know that we don't have that kind of time, that 1 hour time to do that full-fledged makeup look. So this makeup is going to be very much simple and it will hardly take 15 minutes. As you can see, my skin is already glowing and this is the reason behind that. I have already done my skin prep and this is the moisturizer that I have used. This is from Bioderma, very good for dry skin girlies. Had you seen me before the moisturizer, you would have said ki kya dessert jaisi look hai, because my skin is hell dry and this moisturizer can make it look like this. So just this product and my skin prep and we'll directly jump to the makeup. This is the only base that we are going to use in this look, and disclaimer that we are not going to use any foundation in this look. We'll start with this concealer. As you can see, there is this pigmentation under my eyes and around the mouth, so we'll firstly cover this. Without cuts so that you can actually see that we can cover it this much easily, and it hardly takes your 15 to 20 seconds, I guess. And just in case if you want to have more coverage, then you can apply it to these areas because we have slight pigmentation on our foreheads in Indian skin tones, so we can cover it this way, and it's seriously this much easy. This won't make you look made up, but this will make you look presented. So this is the only base we are going to use. Now you just need to take a blender and start giving it a good blend. The way we are doing it, we don't need much blending because we are not applying that much of product, and I guess this is it. It hardly took 15 seconds. And these are the concealers that I used. I mixed these two shades. For me, this makes a perfect match. These are from L'Oreal and the shades are 317 Almond and 314 Beach. Just in case if you have my skin tone, then you can use these two concealers. See, not a lot of steps, but just this one step made my skin even, and now there is no pigmentation that is visible. So the next step that we'll move to is this blush. This is from Forever 52 and this is a liquid blush in the shade 001. So we'll pump it out. बहुत थोड़ा सा लेना है because this is hell pigmented and we just need this much. Now what we'll do is, this is my secret tip. We'll mix a liquid highlighter. This is from Mars and this is the Glowfly one in the shade 03. We'll just take again a teeny tiny bit, I guess this much, ये थोड़ा सा, because we don't want to make our look very made up and we want to look very, I woke up like this, and we mix it this way. As you can see, wow, and now we apply it like this. And you will see कि कितनी bomb finish आती है इससे. We'll take a brush which looks something like this and we'll start blending. And yeah, that's it. and you can see अभी भी काफी सारा बचा है, so use it wisely. Take only the required quantity on your plate, and then we'll start blending again. And you have to remember this one thing, that whenever you are doing makeup na, you have to just be careful while blending. So anything that's not blended will look blah. Yeah, so we are almost done. I love blush थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा इसलिए I am applying इतना, but if you don't love that much तो आप उतना मत लगाओ. And थोड़ा सा we can apply it on our eyes also. Otherwise, if you don't apply na anything on the eyes, you will see कि if you have corrected the face जितना हमने किया सिर्फ उतना ही, there is this very nice bronze look on your eyes अगर हम उस पे कुछ भी नहीं लगाते हैं, and that also looks very nice because that is natural and that gives a bit of brown tint to your eyes, so you can obviously go with that. Now we'll take the blender and हल्का सा we'll give it a good blend so that everything is one. It's not looking like blushes here, the concealer is here, and the eye makeup is here, so it's all one. And yeah, this is for the base. We are almost done. We are just going to set it with good powder, and yeah, we are done with the base almost. So we'll take a puff and we'll take the powder. We'll take out some powder. We don't want to look very cakey and desserty look नहीं देनी है face को, so we'll use very small amount में थोड़ा थोड़ा सा powder, and we'll just set the required areas where we can crease. जहाँ आपको लगता है कि आपकी lines आ जाती हैं, you just need to set that area. So in my case or in general cases, that's under eyes, and yeah, oily under eyes never looks nice. So I just took out very minimal quantity of the powder, and I am using that much only. After some time my face looks like oil shop, so मैं थोड़ा सा powder तो लगा रही हूँ. If you feel you like very dewy and your face is not, your face doesn't crease that much, then you can just set your under eyes and maybe your around the mouth area because of those lash lines, and you are good to go. I guess, yeah, this much, that's it. And our base is done. Can you see the difference from where we started to here? It's not very much, but it is presentable. The next step that we are going to do is this. We'll fill our brows. This one is from LA Girl Brow Pomade and the shade is dark brown. So we'll again not look like some witch or भूतनी नहीं बनना है. बहुत थोड़ी सी क्वांटिटी में we'll fill our brows, and I am telling you the technique also जिससे बहुत ज़्यादा fill नहीं होगा. So firstly, what we'll do is we'll start from here, like from the arch, and बहुत हल्के हाथ से उसको fill करना है. And when you feel, शुरू में प्रोडक्ट हमेशा थोड़ा सा लेना है so that you can obviously take again, but वो अगर बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट आ गया तो वो कम नहीं हो पाएगा. And then you will start filling your brows जहाँ से भी आपको लग रहा है that there are sparse areas and हल्का सा gap है, तो you can obviously fill that. And जब आप यहाँ से fill कर लोगे उसे अच्छे से, then you will move towards the front. Never start with your front, and we'll draw a line like this. सिर्फ नीचे से ऊपर नहीं किया हमने अभी. एंड फ्रंट में हमेशा यू हैव टू मेक दी स्ट्रोक्स. यू नेवर हैव टू फिल प्रॉपरली फ्रंट से. जस्ट अप्लाई इट इन स्ट्रोक्स एंड इसको ब्रश कर दो अच्छे से. Yeah, something like this. So it's not overdone, but it is looking good. it is looking filled at least. Again, starting from the arch area. You just have to make sure कि जब भी आप मेकअप कर रहे हो, you don't have to overdo anything, so that एकदम से लुक आपका बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज नहीं हो. बिकॉज forget about others, अगर एकदम से बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज हो गया, you yourself won't like it. Yeah. एंड हल्का सा इसे ब्रश करोगे तो अगर कुछ ज़्यादा होगा भी, एंड अगर स्पेशली आपको लग रहा है कि कहीं ज़्यादा थोड़ा सा अप्लाई हो गया, तो यू कैन जस्ट ब्रश थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा उस जगह पे एंड इट विल बी all blended. And this is how I do my brows. Yes, something like this. And now we'll move to our lipsticks and then the lashes, and we are all done. So for the lipstick, we are going to apply this shade, this one. You can directly apply it from the lipstick, but now I have a habit of doing it like this. Just let me once check it in the mirror also. It's practice, it's practice. So yeah, it all depends on your practice. जितना आपको जैसा शेड पसंद है, जितना लाइट पसंद है, जितना डार्क पसंद है, यू कैन अप्लाई इट अकॉर्डिंगली. बिकॉज हमने मेकअप बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं किया है, एंड in office तो you still can apply some dark lipsticks, but I don't think so कि college में dark lipsticks बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती हैं. But it's totally up to upon your preference, so whatever you like, on your discretion. And just our last step is lip. So we'll take our mascara. I'll use this one and a lash curler. So we'll just curl our lashes. Like this. And then we'll apply the mascara. This is one of my favorite parts. And the blush and mascara is I love. Brush and mascara I love. Just let me use a mirror थोड़ा सा. I just love mascara. And can you see this? Obviously you can, I mean. But can you see how pretty it is looking? And थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर लग गया. I'll remove it and I'll show कि उसको कैसे remove करते हैं. तो I think so कि almost सबको पता ही होगा by now, because this is the world of Instagram and tips and hacks. And this tip I have already uploaded on my Instagram. Just in case if you're not following me on Instagram, you can just go give me a follow, and I keep on uploading a lot of tips and tricks there, which I will help you a lot if you are a beginner. And if you love makeup, obviously you'll love that page. So yeah, this was a very easy peasy look. I guess that you also can do in max to max 10-15 minutes. And yes, जब ये लगा है आपका, you'll just allow it to dry, and then you'll simply take a spoolie and where? कहाँ था? दिख क्यों नहीं रहा? And yes, this is our look that you can carry to your office or to college. And you can see this is not a 10 kg makeup, this just took 15 minutes, and it will make you look presentable and maybe crush को पसंद आ जाओ. So yeah, do let me know कि आपको कैसा लगा ये tutorial, and I think I showed all the products. Just in case अगर कोई रह गया हो तो comment down. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram page is Alisha Arora Makeup and Alisha Arora Makeovers. Just in case if you want to see my client work, you can go to Alisha Arora Makeovers. If you want to see the tips and tricks, go to Alisha Arora Makeup. See you soon. Well, एक बात बोलना भूल गई, वैसे तो खुद से ही समझ जाना चाहिए, but do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video next, you'll get to see that first, and obviously you'll get to learn a lot of things.